Okay, you don't really have to do this, but I'm going to go ahead and lightly grease my pans. Actually makes the bottom of the biscuit just a little bit crunchier, which is what I like. It's just my personal preference. This is really, really simple. A 5-year-old could do it. So I'm using 2 cups of self-rising flour. And I'm going to start out with 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And then you may need to add a little more as you go. One thing I would like to say is the brand does matter. I mean, get a brand that's, I don't know, Martha White, Hudson Bay, Gold Medal, pretty much anything except the store brands. They just are not any good. And if that's all you can find, then I just wouldn't even bother. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and add another 1/2 cup of whipping cream. It's really, you can't really mess this up. I mean, a lot of biscuit dough you don't want to overwork. And I'm not going to really overwork this, but I'm just saying if you did, they're still going to turn out just fine. It's just a very, very forgiving dough. And a little bit more. I'm just going to do a little at a time. That's probably another 1/8 of a cup. A little bit more. And I'm going to go ahead now. I have gloves on and I've washed my hands. I'm going to go ahead and use my hands to finish mixing this. So altogether that was about 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream and 2 cups of self-rising flour. Okay, came together pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and flour my surface here. And just go ahead and pour this out here. Make sure it has plenty of flour. Now you can just pat this out like this, or you can roll it out. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now, you can use whatever you have on hand to cut with. And just roll that out to the desired height that you would like. Your biscuits will rise a little more if you just push straight down and pull up and don't twist the cup or the cutter. And then just take what's left and reshape that again. At this point, I'm just going to pat that out a little bit. Go ahead and stick these in the pan. I do have my oven preheated to 425.